Hey guys, what's up? This is Abhishek and you're watching my channel One Day Batting. Today I came up with a new shortcut method of integration and it is also based upon definite integrals, right? And let's begin the video. Okay guys, this is the question which you have, and first of all you have to know what is the general format to apply this trick, right? So let me explain you that quickly. The general form is I is equals to 0 to pi by 2 1 upon a square cos square x plus b square sin square x dx. And the trick is very simple. The value of this integral directly given by pi upon 2ab. That means whenever you come across this general format, or you may, if there is a chance to convert that question into this general format, then you can directly apply this formula to get answer, right? And let's see the question. In this, the question is in the general format, right? You may check once again. Here we have integral 0 to pi by 2, right? So here also we have 0 to pi by 2, and this is in the form of a square cos square x plus b square sin square x dx, right? That means here the value of a is 4, right? And the value of b is 2, because the value of a square is 16 which we have here, and the value of b square is 4 which we have here, right? And you may also change, if the value of a square value is here, let's say we have 17, then the value of a becomes root 17, right? Okay guys, let me say the answer. That is pi upon here 2 multiplied with this 4, that is a multiplied with 2. So our final answer is this: 2 4s are 8, 8 2s are 16. This is the solution of this question, right? And let's move on to the second example. Okay guys, this is the second example, and let's see this is in the general format or not. Here the integral is 0 to pi by 2, right? So here also 0 to pi by 2, and this is a square value and cos square x plus b square sin square x and dx, right? So this is in the general format. So now we can comfortably apply this formula to get the answer, right? So the value of a square is 21, then the value a becomes root 21, right? So the value of b square is 4 and the value of b becomes 2, right? So our formula is this: pi upon 2ab, right? So pi, I'm substituting a and b values, 2 multiplied with root 21 multiplied with 2, right? So our final answer is pi upon 4 root 21. This is the answer. This is very simple, right? You can solve this within seconds and you will get answer, so that you will score good score in competitive exams, right? So let's move on to this third example. Okay guys, this is the third example and last example also, and here the question is in the general format. You can check the integral 0 to pi by 2 1 upon a square cos square x plus b square sin square x dx, right? So here the value of a square is 97, then the value of a is root 97, right? And the value of b square is 2 here. So the value of b is root 2, right? And the formula is pi upon 2ab, and I am substituting these a and b values in this so that we will get the answer. 2 multiplied with root 97 multiplied with root 2. So pi upon 2 root 194, and this is our final answer. That's all for the video, guys, and if you like my explanation, please like the video and share with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel and tap on bell icon to get all notifications from my channel. And finally, thank you so much for watching.